Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're well. Today I'm doing a different video. Well, different-ish, but still the beauty. So I'll be styling my wig in different styles, and I hope you enjoy. I will be starting with the most basic, or like my, well, not necessarily go-to, but the easiest one, and then progressing to something else. Just a short um description. My wig is a closure wig, and it's supposed to be a side part that I you know moved around and made a middle part because I saw middle parts were trending. I had never tried it. I decided to try it. Also, pardon the noise in the background, you know how the weather is. And yeah, let's get right into it. So this is actually the first style that is typically my go-to, which is just a claw clip at the back, and I just grab all the hair and loosely roll it around and then hold it together with a claw clip, and that's it. I just loosen it a bit and just make sure that it's whatever. I also like pushing it over the sides, or rather the ends, like that, so that I just have something simple but chic. Another style I like, let me just do all the claw clip styles and then we'll move on to the other simpler ones, or rather to the other ones. The other one I like, or I've grown to like, is just leaving a bit of hair at the front like that. It's kind of similar to the other one, the first one, and then holding the rest of the hair back. So I'll be looking away from the camera a lot because I just have a mirror right in front of me, so that's what I'll be doing. And then yeah, the same. I actually saw this style a lot with something similar with Bliss, if you watch Love is Blind, and I just loved it. It was more of an encouragement also to just keep going at it. So yeah, similar at the back, just a bit of a side fringe or other whatever going on. The third style will definitely have to be just leaving it all like that, and then grabbing a bit of the front. I don't really enjoy a lot of hair on my face, and I just love showing off my features, so I just kind of push the hair back as much as I can. So I just put the front fringes from the previous style to the back, and then I just pull it over, rather pull the rest of the hair over like that. Last time I wore this to a party, I got a lot of compliments from the girlies, and yeah, it's simple, but another improvement of that same style is you can grab the fringes like that, and then if you want it more secure, and just hold them over like that with oh, I forgot to bring them. They're somewhere around, with the hair ties, yeah, or hair bands as we call them. So you can do that, or you can hold it like a small clip, or a safety pin right at the back like that. Just hold it like that and then let it flow with the rest. It's more secure, but it's pretty much similar to what we had. Just a lot more hair is pulled back, and just showing off the features. Another style that has really been trending is kind of, you saw what I did. I grabbed half of, rather the rest of the hair, I held it back like that, and then grab half, or halfish. It doesn't have to be perfect or accurate, and then do the claw clip situation, but a bit further to the top. This style has been trending quite a lot, I've seen. You can use a smaller clip. I misplaced my tiny one. I'm all over the place, I'm sorry. Yeah, so you do that, and then you just have kind of like a half up half down situation, but at the same time your hair is away, and like I said, you're trending, because this style is really trending like a lot, and you don't have to be very precise with it because it's more of like an all over the place kind of hairstyle. But as you can see, love it, right? Yeah, so that's basically it for most of my styles, and let me just grab my hair ties and proceed with the rest. So I buy a lot of these because I keep losing them, as you've seen, and yeah, so now we're just gonna do the hair tie situation or hairstyles. Yeah, so first, as you saw, kind of I divided the hair like this with my fingers. Honestly, most of these hairstyles are not as precise because, again, this is a wig and you don't want to like be showing people your tracks and things like that. Sorry. And then yeah, so you can do that, and then just drop a few of the strands, to kind of hide what's left here. Also, like, remember to lay your edges like well, and then just tie it over here like that. It could be just left hanging, or you can do like a bit of a bun situation with it, depending on what you're going for. And if you have a pretty good hairstyle going, you can loosen it up and just make it look as good as you want. Also, I like to pull out some hair from the side like that, just to give me a bit more security. Yeah, so the other style is, I'll just turn around a bit, is just holding all the hair back like that, and then doing a bit of a half, I don't know what to call that, but that, and then it's basically a bun, really, and then just wrapping what's left of the hair around. It's kind of a messy bunish situation, and then you can pull the rest of the hair on the sides just a bit more, and but I typically don't really enjoy this style because I just feel like it gives me a lot more age. I don't know, you tell me. Yeah, so that's another style that I tend to do, especially when I'm like working around or moving around the house or doing whatever, a lot more cooking, that situation. You can also pull some hair, or rather, like, you can do this before. You can pull just a bit of hair to kind of round your face, or rather, what's the word? Whatever it's doing. Yes, you can pull some hair out to frame, is the word, to frame your face. And yeah, however much you want, really, it doesn't have to be too much or too little, just according to your preference. You can also pull the hair out before if you want this kind of style, but not with all the hair pulled back. You get what I mean? So I'm just trying to see, you can balance it out. For those of you who might be perfectionists and the likes, I am more that with makeup and not necessarily hair. So yeah, depends on what you prefer. You see, it still looks good and it comes together great. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, share, and subscribe my video on my YouTube channel. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.